If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Snapchat, follow these simple steps to ensure it doesn't complete. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen to access your account settings and information. Step 3. Navigate to Snapcash. Scroll down to find the Snapcash option or payments section in your profile settings. Tap on it to view your transaction history. Step 4. Find the pending transaction. Look for the transaction that is marked as pending. It should be listed among your recent transactions. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Escher.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your pending transaction should be successfully cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Snapchat support for further assistance.